JavaScript, which was designed as a scripting language for the browser, has seen deployment far beyond the browser. Node.js has played a significant role in this shift of JavaScript from the browser to the desktop. Let's now learn a little bit about what Node.js is and what role does npm, the Node Package Manager, play in the context of Node.js. Node.js, as I mentioned earlier, allows us to bring the power of JavaScript to the desktop. Node.js is based on the JavaScript runtime engine that has been built for the Chrome browser. So the Chrome V8 JavaScript engine has been ported from the browser to run on the desktop and support the execution of JavaScript programs on the desktop. Node.js is built around an event-driven non-blocking I/O model, which makes it very efficient to run JavaScript programs on the desktop. Asynchronous JavaScript on the desktop. Now, this is where Node finds its true power. Right now, we will examine Node.js in the context of its use as a JavaScript runtime. We will look at the server-side application of Node.js in detail in the last course of this specialization. This is the typical architecture of Node.js. So in this, the Chrome V8 engine is at the bottom layer, together with libuv forms the layer that interacts with the underlying computer system to support the execution of JavaScript programs. On top of it, we have node bindings, which is also implemented in C++. At the top layer, you have the Node.js and standard library, which are all implemented in JavaScript. And this is what enables us to write JavaScript programs and run them on the desktop. Naturally, the ability to run JavaScript programs on the desktop energized the web development community to explore using JavaScript to develop a significant number of web development tools. Tools such as Bower, Grunt, Gulp, Yeoman, and many others. We will explore some of these in the later part of this course and in subsequent courses. The last course in the specialization, as I mentioned, looks at the use of Node.js on the server side, how we can develop web server business logic all implemented in JavaScript on the server side. Together with Node, you often hear people talking about the Node Package Manager, or npm. When you install Node on your computer, npm automatically gets installed. The Node Package Manager is the manager for the Node ecosystem that manages all the Node modules and packages that have been made publicly available by many different users. A typical Node package consists of JavaScript files together with a file called package.json, which is the manifest file for this Node module. We will look at how we can use the package.json file in more detail in the subsequent exercises.